this is Elaine with WTI, and this cutie is so cute, but her breath is not. And we use this little beauty here. It's TropiClean Fresh Breath. When our cutie Annabelle sees this bottle, she knows that fresh breath is one lick away. And so we just put the foam on, and she just really loves licking it and loves the taste. And we're so happy that it's not such a hard fight for her to get fresh breath. We love it and she loves it. And sometimes it's hard to brush, so we just like to put it on and freshen her breath with just the taste. Yeah, we like that. And then we smell good, right? So if you are looking for an easy way to get fresh breath for your cutie, then try this. We love it, and that's just our point of view.